Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show all my saves. And this is my copy. It's kind of look and next we have this fucking thing I have. And next we have rice. I call him mummy. He looks like a mummy from real life. Next we have lemon. I got kicked out. Oh hell no. Hey, I'm back. Oh crap, wrong one. Here. Voila. I'm going back to water map, my favorite map. Mabusog ako, ayaw ko ka na magkain.
Yeah. Pwede kahit ilan ang picture na. Lagay mo lang select multiple yung
Okay, next we have lemon. Look like next we have dead melon. I was to say dead melon. Next we have Greg. Somebody. And we have Scaly. Next we have Dead. And next we have Fiery. Now, next we have Bub. What the frick? Good. Next we have crap. Next we have Hamtama. Zuchuma. Let's grab my everyone heart. I know. Next we have Boy. Okay, that's the last one. It's kind of what I have. I have a lot. Okay. Oh, hey, yo, that was not supposed to happen. Okay, bye, guys. Bye-bye.